The 6th Era setup highlights a recently created MBUX, Mercedes-Benz user experience, work that brings touchscreen control, an inventive voice control framework and enlarged reality route not offered on Mercedes range-topping S-Class. The A-Class will by and by be offered only in 5 entryway frame when UK offers of the new, 4th age form begin in June after an open introduction at the Geneva engine appear in March. It will be the first of up to 8 new minimized models that are being worked on and due for dispatch before the finish of 2020. Mercedes manager Dieter Zetsche said at the Auto's Uncover, the A-Class has been a major driver of progress at Mercedes. This last form isn't an auto that gives a lot of an impression of passage level. It's a grown-up A-Class that completely grasps our vision of extravagance.